Hi, we're looking at Cajon Valley's Digital Academy, and this is at digitalacademy.cajonvalley.net. You're going to see these 4 circles, and the first thing you want to do is log in. When you log in, go ahead and click here, and you'll want to log in with your last name, first initial. You don't need at cajonvalley.net, and then use your regular Google password. Click login. You'll know you're logged in because you get this black bar at the top and it says howdy and your name. Next, you want to hit the 3rd circle, which is earn a badge. We have 3 badges available. First is communicating about the Common Core in the digital age, and this one was started about 2 years ago. The next one is writing in the digital age. This one is the one that's open right now, and you'll want to try to finish up soon. And then rolling out in January of 2016, we have CVTV broadcasting today for tomorrow's learning. So go ahead and start with writing in the digital age. Click the Read More button. And this one's about using Google tools to integrate into your writing curriculum. If you are not a writing teacher or you teach another content area, feel free to use these same tools in your content area. There's a couple of videos on the SAMR model, which is the different levels of using technology in your classroom: substitution, augmentation, modification, redefinition. Feel free to watch those videos, and those will help guide you through the process. There are 5 steps to the writing badge. Each step has 2 choices, so you can make a choice of which tool you want to use. Let's go into step 5 because I have not completed that one yet. So in each step, you'll have a choice on the left and a choice on the right, and you can choose which one you'd like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and look at Hangouts on Air. I want to point out that once you do finish your artifact that you're going to work with your students on, you would paste the link in this box and then hit submit. You can also choose to attach a file. So if it's a screenshot or something along those lines, you can attach a file, or you can just paste the link in the box and hit submit. When you go to select one of your tools, it has a definition of the tool, different videos on how to use it. They have sample 6 ways teachers can use Google Hangouts, 18 ways teachers can use Google Hangouts. So they have different resources for you. All of these red spaces are clickable. So, and then it's tied back to Common Core. So if I hit back to step 5, I would finish that task and learn that tool, use it with my classroom, and then paste the link in this box and hit submit. When I hit submit, I am emailed this picture of a badge, meaning that I've completed step 5. When I go back to the list of the 5 steps, it strikes out the steps that I've completed, so you'll know which ones you've completed because those are crossed out. And then when you are all complete with all 5 steps and you're ready to submit for your timesheet, you want to go back to Earn Badges and then click after you've earned your writing in the digital age, click here. So go ahead and click there when you're finished all 5 steps. This is a Google form. Hit refresh so it gets rid of that box really quick. This is a Google form you want to fill out, and this form is sent to your principal. Your principal verifies that the links that you provided meet the requirements. The principal is the one checking everybody off. And then the principal can ask the office manager to create a time card for you. If you're doing intersession work groups, you got 3 hours during the intersession work group, and then you're going to get an additional 3 hours for completing the badge. If you're completing on your own, that means you did all of it on your own or in a small group of teachers by yourself. So you'll get all 6 hours on one timesheet. Best way to do this is to send yourself a copy, and that way you get a copy of the email that is sent to the principals as well. Once your timesheet is completed, you can have your office manager send it into Ed Services and the Ed Tech department, and we will sign off, and then you'll have your money for the holidays or just an extra little bit for your digital badge. Thanks so much for looking at the digital badges. And remember, in January of 2016, we have Broadcasting Today for Tomorrow's Learning, a nice simple badge on screencasting.